Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a problem almost every new YouTuber faces. Why don't my videos get views? You work hard to make videos, you create a thumbnail, write a strong title, but still, the views come very slow. The main reason is most people don't really understand how the YouTube algorithm actually works. So if you also want more views and you want YouTube itself to promote your videos, then watch till the end. I'm going to explain step by step. First, understand this: the YouTube algorithm is not your enemy. It's just a smart system that tests every single video. When you upload a video, YouTube doesn't send it to millions of people right away. Instead, it shows it to a small group first, and then it checks. Are people clicking after seeing your thumbnail? Are they watching till the end or skipping early? Are they liking, commenting, or subscribing? If YouTube gets positive signals, it thinks, okay, people are enjoying this video. Then slowly it starts pushing it to more and more people. Friends, the biggest weapon on YouTube is watch time. If your video is 10 minutes long but people leave after only 2 or 3 minutes, YouTube thinks your content isn't engaging. But if they stay for 8 to 9 minutes, that tells YouTube, wow, this video is interesting, and YouTube will automatically promote it. That's why successful creators always make their videos engaging from start to finish, with good flow. Examples: maybe some humor, anything that keeps the viewer hooked. Now let's talk about why your first videos usually get slow views. The simple answer is, YouTube is testing. For example, if you make a fitness video, YouTube will first show it to people who regularly watch fitness content. If those people like it and watch longer, YouTube will slowly suggest it to more people. It's a process: first it's slow, then momentum builds up. That's why patience and consistency are so important. Now the big question: how do you actually get views? The answer is simple. 1. Make strong thumbnails and titles so people click. 2. Create an engaging intro so people don't skip in the first few seconds. 3. Make your content valuable and interesting so people watch till the end. For upload regularly, 1 or 2 videos don't matter. The algorithm needs consistent signals. 5. Build a connection with your audience. Solve their problems, talk to them. If viewers feel like, this creator understands me, they'll always come back. Guys, remember, the YouTube algorithm is not magic. It only measures how the audience reacts. If people enjoy your content, YouTube itself will promote it. So stop making excuses and focus on giving value. Be patient, upload consistently, and always try to make your videos better. One day, you'll see the views problem is gone, and YouTube itself will start pushing your channel. So keep creating, keep improving, and trust the process.